Alright, so today we are doing an extraction, and we do this to purify our desired product. What we're going to do is we have two substances with different densities, and we want to separate them based on their density. One of the products that is desired will be contained in either the water layer or the organic layer, which in this case is diethyl ether. Based on if the product is soluble in water or diethyl ether is how we're going to separate them. So, the equipment that you need to do this is a separatory funnel, a ring stand with clamps, a waste beaker, a product beaker, and your two substances. And you need to know the density of these substances. Water has a density of 1 gram per milliliter, and diethyl ether has a density of 0.71 grams per milliliter. So, and we'll know that the water is more dense, it'll be on the bottom, and the organic layer is less dense, it'll be on the top. Alright, the first step that we want to do is make sure that the stopcock is closed. It's closed when it's horizontal, and it's open when it's vertical. This allows the substances to travel through the stopcock. And we want to make sure that we are practicing safe chemistry, so we have our gloves on, our goggles on, and in this case our hard hat. Alright, so we're going to remove the stopcock. Actually, no. First we're going to add equal amounts of the water and the diethyl ether, which our product is contained in, into the separatory funnel. We're using a stir rod to ensure that all of the substance is being poured into the separatory funnel and not exploding everywhere over the top of it. And our diethyl ether and product layer. As you can see, they're already starting to separate, and like we said, the water layer is on the bottom and the organic product layer is on the top. Place the top back onto it, and now we're going to take the separatory funnel off the ring stand. And we're going to flip it upside down and shake it to make sure that we got a good mixture of our layers. But we want to hold the separatory funnel upside down, open the stopcock, and make sure to release any gas that is built up. And you'll hear that nice sound. Alright, once the layers are nice and mixed, you want to place the separatory funnel back on the ring stand and wait just a little bit to ensure that all of the layers have separated nicely, which looks pretty good. So we're going to put our waste beaker underneath. We don't want the water layer, so we're going to open up the stopcock and allow the water layer to be removed from the system. You want to make sure to let the water out just about until both layers, or until the top layer reaches the bottom of the separatory funnel. This may take a little while. And then you want to stop it right at that point. Let the two layers meet. And then you'll take the waste beaker and set it aside. In other circumstances, you'll want to add equal amounts of water again to the separatory funnel, shake it and burp it, and let it settle and separate it again. But because of circumstances, we're just going to do this. We're going to empty the product into the product beaker. And this contains our diethyl ether and our product. And what we want to do at this point is allow this to evaporate, either in the drawer overnight or under nitrogen gas, to get our purified product. And the waste beaker with the water contains all of the other stuff that was soluble in water and not diethyl ether. So that's how you get a purified product. by extraction.